Are you ready to conquer the great outdoors like never before? Introducing the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra, the ultimate GPS smartwatch built to withstand the toughest adventures. Get ready to experience a new level of rugged durability and cutting-edge features that will transform the way you explore the world. Welcome to the world of the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra, the latest and greatest addition to the renowned T-Rex series of outdoor watches. This remarkable timepiece is designed to be your constant companion as you push the boundaries of what's possible in the great outdoors. Crafted with premium 316L stainless steel and built to military-grade durability standards, the T-Rex Ultra is engineered to withstand the harshest environments. Whether you're scaling towering peaks, diving into the depths of the ocean, or trekking through dense forests, this watch is built to keep up with your most extreme adventures. But the T-Rex Ultra is more than just a rugged exterior. It's a powerhouse of advanced features that will elevate your outdoor experiences to new heights. Let's dive in and explore what makes this watch truly extraordinary. At the heart of the T-Rex Ultra's capabilities is its advanced dual-band GPS system. Utilizing both L1 and L5 satellite signals, this watch provides incredibly precise positioning, ensuring you can navigate the most challenging terrains with confidence. But the T-Rex Ultra takes navigation to the next level with its offline map support. You can download detailed maps directly to the watch, allowing you to track your real-time position and follow pre-planned routes, even in areas with no cellular coverage. This is a game-changer for adventurers who love to explore the uncharted wilderness. And if you ever find yourself needing to retrace your steps, the T-Rex Ultra has your back. The watch can do a straight line back to your starting point, guiding you safely back home. It's the ultimate tool for conquering the great unknown. But the T-Rex Ultra isn't just a navigation powerhouse, it's also a versatile companion for all your outdoor activities. With over 160 sports modes, this watch is ready to support your every adventure, from hiking and climbing to skydiving and freediving. Speaking of freediving, the T-Rex Ultra takes this extreme sport to new depths, literally. Rated for up to 30 meters of water resistance, this watch is equipped with specialized features for underwater exploration. The ultra-bright AMOLED display ensures you can easily read crucial information like depth and water temperature, even in the depths of the ocean. And for those who love to push their limits in the gym, the T-Rex Ultra has you covered. With automatic exercise detection and the ability to track your reps, sets, and rest time, this watch is a true training partner. Plus, you can even create and import your own personalized workout templates directly to the watch. But the T-Rex Ultra isn't just about conquering the great outdoors. It's also a powerful tool for monitoring your health and wellness. Equipped with the advanced BioTracker PPG sensor, this watch can continuously track your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and stress levels, providing you with a comprehensive view of your overall well-being. And if that wasn't enough, the T-Rex Ultra also offers sleep tracking and analysis, helping you understand the quality of your rest and recover from your adventures. With detailed insights into your light, deep, and REM sleep stages, as well as your sleep breathing quality, you can ensure you're getting the rest you need to tackle your next challenge. But the T-Rex Ultra doesn't just monitor your health, it also takes an active role in protecting it. The watch can provide reminders for abnormal heart rates, low blood oxygen levels, and high stress levels, helping you stay aware of your body's signals and take action when needed. Now, you might be wondering, with all these advanced features, how long does the battery last? Well, the T-Rex Ultra is built to go the distance, with a remarkable 20-day battery life in typical usage. And for those who love to lose themselves in nature for extended periods, the watch even introduces an endurance GPS mode, which can provide up to 80 hours of GPS tracking on a single charge. But the T-Rex Ultra isn't just a powerhouse in the great outdoors, it's also a highly connected device. With Bluetooth capabilities, you can pair the watch with your favorite fitness apps, like Strava and Komoot, to share your adventures with the world. You can even connect it to external devices, like heart rate belts and cycling power meters, turning the T-Rex Ultra into a comprehensive training companion. In conclusion, The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is the ultimate outdoor GPS smartwatch, built to conquer the most extreme adventures. With its unparalleled durability, advanced navigation features, and comprehensive health and wellness tracking, this watch is the perfect companion for anyone who loves to push the boundaries of what's possible in the great outdoors. So, are you ready to brave your adventure with the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra? Click the link in the video description or the pinned comment below to learn more and purchase your own T-Rex Ultra today. Conquer the unknown and let the T-Rex Ultra be your guide to the ultimate outdoor experience.